Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to rename a printer on Windows 11. Windows 11 allows you to add several printers to your PC. When you add a new printer, the system detects and sets up the device with default settings. Depending on the manufacturer, the printer's name may be complex and lengthy. Although the default name of the printer is unique and descriptive, sometimes you may want to change its name for some reason. For example, you want to display a short and simple name. The printers are installed in different locations, and you want to rename them according to their locations so that you don't make a mistake while printing a document. The reasons may be many. Windows 11 lets you change the name of your printers using Settings app. In this Garip Windows article, you will learn how to rename a printer on Windows 11. How to rename a printer in Windows 11. To change the printer name, first, open Windows 11 Settings by pressing Windows + I keys on the keyboard or other method you use. Then, click on Bluetooth and Devices. On the right sidebar, click on the Printers and Scanners tile. Select a printer you want to rename. Click Printer Properties to open the Printer Properties dialog. Switch to the General tab. Change the name of the printer. Click OK. That's it. Now, new name of your printer will appear on your PC.